In a cave in Cheddar Gorge, a skeleton was discovered. This 10,000-year-old skeleton was named Cheddar Man. The discovery sparked curiosity about the early Britons. What did they look like? Cheddar Man's age was determined to be around 10,000 years old. This made him one of the oldest Britons. His age raised questions about his appearance. It was assumed that early Britons looked like modern Britons. However, this assumption was based on limited information. The truth about Cheddar Man's appearance remained a mystery. The DNA analysis revealed that Cheddar Man had dark skin and blue eyes. This combination of traits was unexpected. It sparked a new debate about the appearance of early Britons. The combination of dark skin and blue eyes was surprising. It challenged the previous notion that early Britons looked like modern Britons. This discovery raised more questions about Cheddar Man's origins. In 2019, a study by Brace and colleagues was published. This research was released in the journal Nature, Ecology and Evolution. The study examined ancient genomes, providing insights into the history of Britain. The Natural History Museum and University College London analyzed Cheddar Man's DNA. This analysis, conducted in 2018, offered a glimpse into the life of a Mesolithic Briton. Cheddar Man's genetic code was partly similar to that of modern Europeans. Cheddar Man's DNA has given us a new perspective on British history. His story is one of a Mesolithic Briton with a unique appearance. The discovery of his remains in a limestone cave has sparked intense curiosity about his origins. Cheddar Man's story began in a limestone cave in Somerset, England. The remains of this 10,000-year-old individual were found, revealing a surprising combination of physical characteristics. As researchers studied his remains, they were met with a fascinating mix of traits. In Somerset, England, a remarkable discovery was made. The remains of Cheddar Man were found in a limestone cave, shedding light on the lives of ancient Britons. Cheddar Man's dark skin and blue eyes were a surprising combination, challenging conventional wisdom about early Britons. The analysis of Cheddar Man's DNA revealed a genetic code that was partly similar to that of modern Europeans. However, his dark skin and blue eyes were a surprising combination. This discovery has sparked a new wave of interest in the history of the British Isles, with many seeking to learn more about Cheddar Man's story. The discovery of Cheddar Man's dark skin and blue eyes has forced a re-evaluation of the origins of the British people. It suggests that the early inhabitants of the British Isles were more diverse than previously thought, and that the concept of a single, homogeneous British identity is a relatively recent development. This new perspective has significant implications for our understanding of British history and culture. Cheddar Man's remains provide a unique window into the lives of ancient Britons, offering insights into their diet, lifestyle, and physical characteristics. The study of his DNA has also shed light on the migration patterns of early Europeans and the ways in which they interacted with one another. This knowledge has the potential to reshape our understanding of European history and prehistory. Study of Cheddar Man's DNA has provided valuable insights into the genetics of skin color, highlighting the complexity of this trait. The discovery of his dark skin has challenged the assumption that early Britons had light skin and has forced a re-evaluation of the ways in which skin color has evolved over time. This knowledge has significant implications for our understanding of human evolution and migration patterns. The discovery of Cheddar Man's dark skin and blue eyes has significant implications for our understanding of British identity and culture. It challenges the notion of a single, homogeneous British identity and highlights the diversity and complexity of the British people. This new perspective has the potential to reshape our understanding of British history and culture, and to promote a more nuanced and inclusive understanding of the past. Cheddar Man's legacy extends far beyond the discovery of his remains, offering a new perspective on the past and challenging our assumptions about the origins of the British people. His story has the potential to promote a more nuanced and inclusive understanding of British history and culture, and to inspire a new generation of researchers and scholars to explore the complexities of human evolution and migration patterns. Study of Cheddar Man's DNA has highlighted the potential of ancient DNA research to shed light on the secrets of the past. As technology continues to evolve, it is likely that we will discover even more about the lives of ancient humans, and that our understanding of human evolution and migration patterns will become increasingly nuanced and complex. Cheddar Man's blue eyes are a rare genetic trait, highlighting the complexity and diversity of human genetics. The discovery of his blue eyes has challenged the assumption that early Britons had brown eyes, and has forced a re-evaluation of the ways in which eye color has evolved over time. Cheddar Man's story is a journey through time, offering a unique window into the lives of ancient Britons. His remains have provided valuable insights into the diet, lifestyle, and physical characteristics of early Europeans, and have challenged our assumptions about the origins of the British people. Study of Cheddar Man's DNA has provided valuable insights into the genetics of human migration, highlighting the complexity and diversity of human populations. The discovery of his dark skin and blue eyes has challenged the assumption that early Britons were a homogeneous population, and has forced a re-evaluation of the ways in which human populations have interacted and migrated over time. The discovery of Cheddar Man's remains has left a lasting legacy, challenging our assumptions about the origins of the British people, and promoting a more nuanced and inclusive understanding of the past. His story has the potential to inspire a new generation of researchers and scholars to explore the complexities of human evolution and migration patterns. Study of Cheddar Man's remains has been a journey of discovery, offering a unique window into the lives of ancient Britons. His story has challenged our assumptions about the origins of the British people, and has promoted a more nuanced and inclusive understanding of the past. Study of ancient DNA has the power to challenge our assumptions about the past, and to promote a more nuanced and inclusive understanding of human evolution and migration patterns. The discovery of Cheddar Man's dark skin and blue eyes has highlighted the complexity and diversity of human genetics, and has forced a re-evaluation of the ways in which human populations have interacted and migrated over time. The discovery of Cheddar Man's remains has challenged our assumptions about British history, promoting a more nuanced and inclusive understanding of the past. His story has highlighted the complexity and diversity of human genetics, and has forced a re-evaluation of the ways in which human populations have interacted and migrated over time. The journey of Cheddar Man has been a story of discovery, offering a unique window into the lives of ancient Britons. His remains have challenged our assumptions about the origins of the British people, and have promoted a more nuanced and inclusive understanding of the past. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.